How to create a Canva mood board. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create your own mood board with Canva. So let's start. First, what you have to do is before you open up canva.com, I want you to go to Google and search for different images, random images, whatever mood you are going for. And what you have to do is simply go ahead and save different images from Google. You can also use Pinterest if you want to. Just go for a theme, a color theme, and select different images. If you're going for an aesthetic mood board, you can simply go ahead and search for that aesthetic, and what you have to do is simply go ahead and save those images to your computer. Make sure to save a bunch of images because we are going to be creating our mood board and we need to add a lot of images, and then you just have to save them to your computer. And you can also go for different quotes, neon photos, and you can go for books, different aesthetic images. And I would suggest that you should save all of these pictures in one folder so that it will be really easy for you to find. Once your images are saved, then simply go to canva.com, and then we need to create a new design. Simply click on create a design right here, and then we want to create a custom size. For custom size, you can add width and height right here, or you can search for something. Let's go ahead and search for wallpaper. Now you can either go ahead and create a desktop wallpaper or a phone wallpaper. So I am going to be creating a wallpaper for my phone. So I will simply open up the Canva editor right here. So I will simply select the desktop wallpaper because I want to create a mood board for my desktop. So this is our canvas right here. Now what I want you to do is simply go to uploads right here, upload media, and it will allow you to upload folders from your computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this folder right here. And all of the images that we saved will be uploaded right here. You can see these are all my mood board images that I saved. Now all I have to do is simply add them right here on my canvas and they will be added. So simply select the images you want to add. So I have added all of the images right here, and that's what you need to do. Simply add images. You can simply send any image to the back and bring any image forward. You can add all of the images that you selected. Once all of the images are added, it will look like this. So I have created this pink mood board for myself, and now I will simply click right here on share, go to download, and then click on download, and this image will be saved to my computer, and now I can use it as my desktop wallpaper. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a mood board on Canva. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.